Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today I am going to take you to the two very famous religious places in North India. So let's begin our journey with the Golden Temple. Friends, Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib or Darbar Sahib, is located in Amritsar in Punjab state of India. The Golden Temple is not only a central religious place of the Sikhs, but also is a symbol of human brotherhood and equality. So everybody, irrespective of caste, creed or race, can seek spiritual solace and religious fulfillment without any hindrance here in the Golden Temple. And friends, it also represents the distinct identity, glory and heritage of the Sikhs. And the first Harmandir Sahib was built in 1604 by Guru Arjan, the fifth Sikh Guru, who symbolically had it placed on a lower level so that even the humblest had to step down to enter it. He also included entrances on all the four sides, signifying that it was open to worshippers of all castes and creeds. The temple was, however, destroyed by the invaders and was finally rebuilt in marble and copper overlaid with gold foils during the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh from 1801 to 1839. The structure thus became as the Golden Temple. It's a beautiful temple, and millions of devotees come every year from all parts of the world to visit this temple. And the temple itself occupies a small island in the center of the tank or pool called the Amrit Saras or pool of nectar, and therefore it is also the source of city's name Amritsar. And now let's move to our next religious destination, friends. So let's go to Haridwar and Rishikesh in Garhwal region of Uttarakhand state of India. It's basically a hilly region, and Haridwar literally means the abode of Lord Vishnu. Rishikesh is also known as the yoga capital of the world. And friends, both Haridwar and Rishikesh are meat and alcohol free because of their holy nature. Haridwar and Rishikesh hold a very strong religious significance. Both are great places for those who wish to experience spirituality. And friends, apart from religious importance, Haridwar and Rishikesh are also famous tourist spots for adventure and nature lovers. Rishikesh especially is surrounded by scenic beauty of the hills on three sides with holy Ganga river flowing through it. The whole place is considered to be sacred, as it is believed that meditation at this place leads to attainment of salvation. Rishikesh is also a very important pilgrimage center for its close connection with Ramayana. There are many ashrams and yoga centers here in Rishikesh, and moreover it is also a gateway for journeys to the important Hindu religious places like Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. And friends, in the description I have mentioned how you can reach Amritsar, Haridwar, Rishikesh by road, by air or by rail. And I hope you like this video, friends. Please do subscribe to my channel And if you have any queries or wish to plan your trip to India, do drop a comment and I will revert back ASAP. Thank you for watching, friends.